Hims and Hers went from $0 to $1.5 billion in revenue in just 1 year alone, and their entire strategy is hiding in plain sight. Now, in today's video, we're going to be covering how exactly they did it and the steps they took to scale so fast. Now, if you're not familiar with Hims and Hers, it is a digital health platform that connects people with healthcare providers and, if prescribed, personalized treatment plans. The first portion of their strategy entirely relies on the fact that they have made sensitive health topics unembarrassing. Their brand focuses on taboo topics in health such as hair loss, weight gain, and even anxiety, turning it into, instead of clinical messaging, into bold, humorous visuals with conversations that feel normalized and approachable. They are literally using cactus imagery to represent something like erectile dysfunction. And that's intentional. They are making it funny, they are making it relatable, and making it very easy to have those kinds of conversations. The second part of their ad strategy relies on their quiz funnel. Now, they aren't sending people directly to a product page, they are instead sending you through a multi-step quiz. Now, by the time you get to checkout, you're already psychologically invested into the solution. They execute their intentions with personalization extremely well, allowing them to actually target products to you that feel like they talk to you instead of pigeonholing you into buying something that isn't worth your money. It doesn't feel like a medical form, it feels like a conversation, a system that is truly engineered to convert. The third portion of their strategy relies on the fact that they spend like crazy on marketing. With Hims alone in 2024, they spent $679 million in marketing alone, and it attributes to about 46% of their annual revenue. Now, most brands are usually spending between 5 to 10%. On top of that, they are constantly testing multiple ad strategies at the same time. They have micro-influencers to represent trust, AI targeting so they're never wasting a dollar, and also creating things like Super Bowl ads for scalability. On Meta, they are pushing 1,000+ ads alone, allowing them to test multiple different ad strategies and combining them all into valuable content pieces. That means they are pushing content from every single angle, allowing them to keep repeatable messaging and assets throughout their branding. The website itself is a piece to remove any sort of hesitation, allowing users to have questions answered from every single angle. They are not only using data-driven statistics, but using personas that feel trustworthy and representative of users' fears with approachability in mind. This immediately creates trust off the bat, allowing everyone to feel like they are truly being understood and cared for. Lastly, their content and SEO is truly their secret weapon. Their blogs bring in about 1 million organic visitors a month, all from medically reviewed articles with high intent search terms like how to treat hair loss. Every single blog ends with a CTA directing you immediately to a consultation. They have literally turned their blogs into a doctor's waiting room, except that waiting room sends you directly to checkout. The playbook, as you can see, is simple, but it's incredibly hard to execute. Pick a stigmatized problem, personalize it, and build out your content moat. Now, Hims and Hers didn't invent telehealth, they just made it feel a little bit more human. Now, that's how you build a billion-dollar brand. If you like this video and you want me to break down some more brand strategies, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and drop a brand in the comments. I'd love to hear your requests. Don't forget to like and share this video. And until the next one, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.